আসসালামু আলাইকুম। নবম এবং দশম শ্রেণীর সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো। আজকে আমি তোমাদের রিঅ্যারেঞ্জের হোমওয়ার্কগুলোর সলিউশন দিব। আমাদের প্রথম রিঅ্যারেঞ্জটি ছিল জয়নুল আবেদিনের উপর। টেক্সটটি একবার আমি বলছি যে লাইনগুলো বা সেন্টেন্সগুলো আছে। হি গ্রাজুয়েটেড ফ্রম দ্য গভর্নমেন্ট স্কুল অফ আর্ট ইন কলকাতা। বি, হি ইজ রেকগনাইজড অ্যাজ দ্য মোস্ট ভ্যালুয়েবল পেইন্টার অফ বাংলাদেশ. C, he died of lungs cancer. D, Jainul Abidin was born in 1914 in Kisharganj. Still now he is referred with great respect as Shilpachari in Bangladesh. F, he is also the pioneer of Bangladeshi modern art. G, he was also appointed as a teacher there. H, he is highly admired for his Bengal family sketches. Correct orderটি হবে D, A, G, B, H, F, E, C. Number 2. A, next day the wise man went to the king and begged 7 years. B, the wise man went home sadly because the king threatened him to kill if he failed. C, once there was a foolish king who had a white horse. D, his daughter advised him to go to the king and beg 7 years to teach the horse. E, the king also had a wise friend whom everyone liked. F, the king was angry because he wanted that people should like him instead of the wise man. G, one day he called the wise man and asked him to teach his white horse to speak. H, when he reached home he told everything to his daughter. Correct order হবে দেখতে পাচ্ছ C, E, F, G, B, H, D, A. C, E, F, G, B, H, D, A. Number 3. A, suddenly she poured much water over him. B, one day she tried her best to irritate Socrates. C, the wife found that her husband was not paying the least heed to her words and she went up to him with a bucket full of water. The passers-by on the street started laughing and Socrates also joined them in their laughter. E, Socrates went outside and sat on the doorstep of his residence looking out on the street. F, he quietly remarked, I was expecting this. I know that after thunder comes rain. G, Socrates had a wife who used to lose temper on the slightest excuse. G, H, he believed that an angry man was more of a beast than a human being. Correct order হবে G, B, E, C, A, D, F, H. Number 4. The fox was passing through the jungle. B, he also made several jumps but in vain. C, after some time he came to a vineyard laden with ripe grapes. D, the fox stood upon his hind legs but failed to reach them. E, the fox was very much delighted. F, one day a fox was very hungry. G, he thought of satisfying his hunger with grapes. H, they were hanging up. Correct order হবে F, A, C, H, G, E, D, B. F, A, C, H, G, E, D, B. Number 5. Thus he saved his life. He came with a larger army. The prince heard the news. Timur was one of the greatest conquerors of the world. E, Timur's soldiers were killed. F, Timur disguised himself as a poor traveler. G, his soldiers surrounded the village on all sides and a terrible battle took place. H, once he attacked the province of a powerful prince. Correct order হবে D, H, G, C, B, E, F, A. এগুলো ছিল তোমাদের গত ক্লাসের হোমওয়ার্ক। আজকে আমি তোমাদের নতুন হোমওয়ার্ক দিব, সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ইউনিট 2 থেকে চেঞ্জ ইন পাস্ট টাইম টেক্সট প্রিপারেশন আছি। Traditional childhood pastimes of climbing trees and playing on conkers are in decline, according to survey by the RSPB, Royal Society for the Protection of Birds. It is a charitable organization registered in England, Wales. The survey shows that people under 34 recall far fewer such childhood outdoor experiences than people over 55, according to a survey by RSPB. People were asked which of 12 childhood outdoor experiences they could remember. The answer included making dents, daisy chains, climbing trees, playing conkers, and feeding birds. 4 out of 5 boys climbed trees, and the same number of girls made daisy chains. But the survey showed the numbers declining among the newer generations. Some 15% more of those aged over 55 had these outdoor experiences in their childhood, compared with those between 15 to 34 years old. Some 92% of the public agreed that the experience of nature were still important to children, and 82% agreed that school should play a role in providing them to all children. The survey has highlighted the positive impact of contact with nature on a child's education, health, well-being, and social skills. At the same time, there has been a decline in these opportunities with negative consequences for children, families, and society, a condition known as nature deficit disorder. Mike Clark, Chief Executive of the RSPB, will meet Parliament members to urge the government to join other organizations in providing children with first-hand experiences of the natural environment. We believe these guidance should include many positive impacts to children of having contact with nature and learning outside the classroom. এটা ছিল মেরা আমাদের টেক্সট। আমি এমসিকিউ গুলো দেখাচ্ছি। A first-hand experience in the passage means experienced oneself, new experience, learned experience, primary experience. B. What is the role of the schools mentioned in the passage? School should give scholarship to mentor a student. School should expel a student if caught copying in the exam. School should arrange so that students can have contact with nature. School should collect tuition fee in time. Number C. What the survey has highlighted is the negative impact of contact with nature on a child's education, the mixed impact of contact with nature on a child's education, the optimistic impact of contact with nature on a child's education, the mixed impact of contact with nature on child's education. Number D. What does the expression experiences of nature were still important to children means? Observing nature, children learn many things. Playing freely in contact with nature played a significant role in developing children physically and mentally. To see nature was important for children. To develop a feeling for nature by children was very important for them. Number E. Which of the following statements is true in the light of the passage? 1. Traditional childhood pastimes are on the rise. 2. The children of newer generation are gradually being deprived of the opportunities of going in contact with nature. 3. Nature has no role in developing children physically or intellectually. 4. The main responsibility of RSPB is to protect natural things. তাহলে এটার প্রশ্নটা আবার দেখে নাও। Number F. What brings about negative consequences for children? Nature deficit, plantation, playing outdoor games, playing country games. Number G. What kind of organization is RSPB? Benevolent, profitable, commercial, financial. আমি আবার দেখাচ্ছি। Number 2. Answer the following questions. What is the name of the charitable organization mentioned in the passage? B. What are the causes of decrease in traditional childhood pastimes? Why does Mike Clark want to meet parliament members? D. What does the author want to highlight in the passage? E. From your reading of paragraph 1, give 2 examples of traditional childhood pastimes that are on decline. Number 3 টেক্সটে আমি আরেকবার পড়ছি। A survey was conducted by the RSPB on traditional childhood pastimes. The survey shows that people under 34 recall far fewer such childhood outdoor experiences than their counterparts over 55. People were asked which of 12 childhood experiences they could remember. The answer included making dents, daisy chains, climbing trees, playing conkers, and feeding birds. 4 out of 5 boys climbed trees and the same number of girls made daisy chains, but the survey showed the numbers declining among the newer generations. Some 15% more of those aged over 55 had these experiences in the childhood compared with those between 15 to 34 years old. Some 92% of the public agreed that experiences of nature were still important to children, and 82% agreed that schools should play a role in providing them to all children. The survey has highlighted the positive impact of contact with nature on a child's education, health, well-being, and social skills. At the same time, there has been a decline in these opportunities with negative consequences for children, families, and society, a condition now known as nature deficit disorder. Fill in the blanks. The author of the passage has expressed dash concern on the decline of the dash childhood activities. Today's children are dash far from nature. A child which would have a dash impact dash their education, health, well-being, and social skills. এবার আমরা যে আনসিন টেক্সটে পড়বো সেটা হচ্ছে আব্রাহাম লিঙ্কনের উপর টেক্সট প্রশ্ন আছে। আব্রাহাম লিঙ্কন was the 16th president of the USA. He is famous for his Gettysburg Address. It was delivered by him during the American Civil War on November 19, 1863. Lincoln was born on February 12, 1809 in Kentucky, the USA. His parents were from Virginia. In 1819, his mother died. Then his father moved to Indiana State. He grew up there. He was a captain in the Black Hawk War. He got the nomination for president in 1850. Then he became the president of the USA in 1861. Lincoln declared a ban on slavery in America on January 1, 1863. He was re-elected elected president in 1864. On Good Friday, April 14, 1865, he was assassinated at Ford's Theater in Washington. ইনফরমেশন ট্রান্সফারটি দেখো, 1 নাম্বার আছে টাইম বা ইয়ারের বক্সে, 2 নাম্বার আছে নেম অফ ইভেন্টসে, 3 নাম্বার আছে টাইম বা ইয়ার বক্সে এবং 4 নাম্বারটিও আছে টাইম বা ইয়ারের বক্সে এবং 5 নাম্বারটি আছে প্লেসে। Number 5, write a summary of the above passage. Number 6, column A তে আছে Bangladesh is a riverine country. B, in fact, the land mass of Bangladesh. C, the big rivers are the Meghna, the Jamuna, the Padma, etc. D, the rivers abound with fishes. E, besides, the rivers constitute the waterways of the country. Column B তে আছে and the other important rivers are the Tista হবে, the Karnofuli. Number 2, and play a very important role. Number 3, because it is crisscrossed. 4, is formed by the alluvial deposits. 5, which are a significant source of protein-rich food item. C, column C তে আছে 1, carried by rivers. 2, the Madhumati, the Yalkhan, the Karatoa, the Atrai, etc. 3, that preserves our health. 4, in transportation of men and goods. 5, by many rivers. টেবিল আবার দেখাচ্ছি। Number 7, এর রিয়ারেঞ্জটি হচ্ছে সক্রেটিসের উপর। A, Socrates met his friends and disciples for the last time. Then there came a man with cup in hand. C, with eyes full of tears, Socrates' friend and disciples bade him a last farewell. He told them that the soul of a man cannot die. E, he argued with them about the immortality of the soul. F, at last the hour of departure had arrived. G, at sunset the governor of the prison came. H, the cup contained hemlock, a very strong poison, and Socrates took the cup in his hand and drank hemlock without any hesitation. তো মেয়েরা, এটি ছিল তোমাদের জন্য দেওয়া আজকের হোমওয়ার্ক। আশা করি তোমরা বাসা করে ফেলতে পারবে। আমি আমার পরবর্তী ক্লাসে তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্কগুলোর সলিউশন দিয়ে দিব। তো সেই পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকবে, সুস্থ থাকবে, সেই শুভকামনা জানিয়ে সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।